Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we're talking about the PalmPay Lucky Link. So the PalmPay Lucky Link has been a program that has been going on for a few weeks since December or even earlier, where you are going to click on someone's link and then you'll be able to get up to 1,000 naira cash. Now, it's not a cash, it's going to be a coupon that they will give you. So the coupon, you can use it to buy airtime, data, and sometimes they give coupons that you actually can use it to get other things. So apart from that, you can also if you invite anyone, whatever the person gets, you get that same reward. So it's just like a win-win for both you, the person that is calling, and the person that is referring. So when the person joins you, you get, once the person uses the coupon, you will get your own money, your money return. So let's actually, first of all, you check the link in the description box for the link to this PalmPay queuing. They are going to type the phone number. So you type your own PalmPay number. You can claim cash now. Then I click on use your cash, or you can automatically open PalmPay application. As you can see, I understand the earning possibility is just pretty low, very, very low, to be honest. Now, if you are in this page, just click on earn more. You'll be able to click on share. You'll be able to send your referral link. This is your referral link. You can copy it and send it to anybody you want to send it to. Both of you will get cash. You can get up to 1,000 naira cash. Though I think it was distributed in a few days' time, but just try your best. Though the probability of you getting 10 naira is very high than you getting anything above 10 naira. But anyhow, just give it to them. Once you receive the airtime, here's how you can just click on airtime. You have your number, you just click on here to confirm it to see your coupon. So if you buy, let's say, 15 naira airtime, you can click on coupons and click on coupon for confirm. No, sorry. Click on your back, then ensure you stick the coupon coupon. Don't use PalmPay points, use the coupon. So as you can see, you can just use it to just buy like 15 naira airtime to your number. In case of a scenario where you forgot how to go back to your that Lucky Link page, you can click on here, click on the claim. It will take you to the page. Or you can just click on this notification bell. Then you see your reward, you click on it. The ones that your friends use, then click on anymore. Then you get access to this PalmPay page. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like some more videos like this, please send a like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell to get notified when we content like this. We do have a WhatsApp group where we share of this. You can join us in the description box. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.